Hello students, good morning to one and all. Myself Dr. A. Welcome to online class. In the previous class, we discussed about the stereochemistry of optical isomerisms of biphenyls, allenes, spiro compounds, ANSA compound and other things. And also I send various material in the form of PDF also. Followed by next chapter is interconversion of Fischer to Sawhorse projection. Interconversion of Fischer to Sawhorse projection. First we'll discuss the examples. So Fischer projection 2,3 dibromobutane. First I will draw. You also draw side by sidely. Yes. CH3 bromine hydrogen bromine. Okay, so this is the Fischer projection. This can be drawn like this also. Hydrogen bromine CH3 bromine hydrogen CH3. Now this is said to be the front carbon, is it not? This is the front carbon. Similarly, this one is the back carbon. There are two carbon atoms are present here. One is the front carbon and another one is this is the front carbon, this is the back carbon. Okay, now this is 2,3 dibromobutane. Now this one is a Fischer projection. This is the Fischer projection, whereas this is the Sawhorse. There are two types Sawhorse projection in which eclipsed form. So this is one carbon atom, this is another carbon atom. Understand? Now similarly these can be write like this also. Front carbon, back carbon. Similarly, hydrogen bromine CH3, exactly opposite, CH3 hydrogen and bromine. Hydrogen and bromine. So this is also Sawhorse, whereas this form is said to be staggered form. Staggered, staggered form. This one is the eclipsed form. So Fischer can be converted into Sawhorse projection. One is in the form of eclipsed and other one is the staggered. Eclipsed and staggered. So 2, 3, 2, 3, Dibromobutane is converted into eclipsed form of Sahar's projection. In this conversion, the last chiral center in Fischer projection is considered as the front carbon. I repeat once again, in this conversion, the last chiral center is considered front carbon in Sahar's projection. Similarly, next if we pass on to the Sahar's projection of mesotartaric acid. Please make note of it. You can also draw side by sidely. Yes, COOH, OH, H, OH and COOH. This is mesotartaric acid. We convert two forms. One is the Sahar's eclipsed form. Sahar's. So this is the Sahar's. Yes, Sahar's projection of the what form? Staggered form can be converted into eclipsed form. These are the same thing as such. This carbon H, OH, COOH, followed by what will happen? Hydrogen, this hydrogen, then this OH, and this interconversion is exactly COOH. So this is said to be Sahar's projection in the form of eclipsed form. This is eclipsed form. Okay. Now these can be converted into Fischer projection. Can be write is like this. Okay. COOH, COOH, OH. These hydrogen and these hydrogen both are in the left hand side. So this is Fischer projection. Understand? So this is the interconversion of Fischer to Sahar. So like this, there are so many examples were given in the book. You can practice. Now, next we pass on to interconversion of Sahar's to Newman projection. Interconversion of Sahar's. Interconversion of Sahar's to Newman projection. Please note of it. Interconversion of Sawhorse to Newman projection. Sawhorse projection in two forms. One is the just now discussed. One is the staggered and eclipsed form. Okay. So here also we'll consider the examples. 2-bromo-3-chlorobutane. CH3 chlorine hydrogen. Then here you have hydrogen, bromine and CH3. That is 2-bromo 3-chlorobutane. Okay, this is the Sawhorse projection of staggered. Sawhorse projection of staggered. This can be converted into the Sawhorse. This can be converted into Newman projection of staggered form. So this is the one carbon. Okay. CH3 Cl hydrogen. Okay, this is one carbon, this is another carbon, is it not? So I am writing this first carbon. Okay, CH3 Cl hydrogen. Remaining is I am writing this one, hydrogen, bromine and CH3. So this we called as a Newman projection of staggered form. Newman projection of staggered form. So 2-bromo-3-chlorobutane is converted into Newman projection of staggered form. The front and back carbon, the front and back, this is the front and this is the back carbon, is respectively in Newman projection. Bonds attached to each key carbon are placed accordingly. Now similarly, this interconversion is to be like that. What will happen here? Similarly, the hydrogen, bromine, CH3, hydrogen, chlorine and CH3. Sawhorse projection, this is the Sawhorse projection of eclipsed form is similar to that of okay. So I am writing hydrogen, chlorine, CH3 and hydrogen, bromine, and you have CH3. This is said to be Newman projection of eclipsed form. Okay, staggered form. This is staggered form. This is eclipsed form of Newman. Similarly, the other things are here. Staggered and eclipsed form of Sawhorse. Understand? So Sawhorse projection, staggered and eclipsed form of 2-bromo-3-chlorobutane is converted into Newman projection of staggered and eclipsed. Staggered and eclipsed. The front and back carbon. The front and back carbon of Sawhorse projection become the front and back carbon respectively in the Newman projection. Bonds attached to each key are parallel to accordingly. Next we pass on to erythro and trio compounds. Erythro and trio compounds. What are they? We'll discuss here. Erythro and trio compounds. Erythro and trio compounds. Molecules with more than one asymmetric center. Okay. Molecules with more than one asymmetric center. In the previous class itself, we discussed what is mean by symmetric center and asymmetric center, is it not? The second point, so the molecules with more than one asymmetric center. So what are the possibilities? Molecules containing two distinct chiral center of the type, for example, ABD and ABE. The one carbon contains ABD, the other carbon contains ABE, exist as a pair of diastereomers. Each in turn exist as a pair of enantiomers. Now, the term trio and erythro, trio and erythro are commonly used to describe pair of enantiomers. The erythrodiastereomer is the one in which two sets of identical group on adjacent carbon atom adjacent carbon atom can be eclipsed in the eclipse conformation of the molecule. If the erythrodiastereomers is represented in Fischer projection, two sets of identical group lie one above the other, is it not? Just now we discussed two carbon atoms, one is the lie above and below. The triodiastereomer is the one in which only one set of identical groups on adjacent carbon atoms can be eclipsed. Okay, I repeat, one set of identical groups, same groups on adjacent carbon atoms can be eclipsed in the eclipse conformation of the molecule. The Fischer projection triodiastereomer only one set of identical group lie on above the other. This nomenclature is illustrated with 2-bromo 3-butanol is an example. This is the first carbon, so this is the third carbon, second carbon, 2-bromo alcohol in the third carbon, so it is said to be the 3-butanol, 2-bromo 3-butanol. This is a molecule of the type CAB and CABE, okay, CABD and CABE, and exists in 4 stereoisomeric forms, which constitute 2 pairs of diastereomers, each of which exists as a pair of enantiomers, Now, let us see the examples so that it will be very clear. Erythro 2-bromo 3-butanol. Erythro 2-bromo 3-butanol. So what will happen here? CH3 nitrogen, this is Br, CH3 OH and H. Understand? So now if you rotate, what will happen? So this is the erythro isomer. 2 sets of identical groups. Okay, just now I told you 2 sets of identical group. What are they? CH3, hydrogen and hydrogen are eclipsed. 2 sets, hydrogen, CH3. So now this can be converted into Fischer is Br OH hydrogen CH3 is Fischer. Okay, this is the Fischer. Whereas similarly, in the form of Neumann is like that. CH3H OH. Similarly, CH3H and Br. CH3H. So this is Neumann eclipsed form. The another one is the. Now next pass on to the erythroisomer of the first one is just now saw eclipsed. Now this is the staggered form, is like that. OH H CH3 CH3 H Br. OH HCH3, then Br, then CH3 hydrogen. CH3 hydrogen. So this is said to be Newman staggered form, whereas this is also the erythroisomer of the above one is eclipsed, this is also the staggered. Understand? So likewise the interconversion take place. Similarly, you try for trio 2-bromo 3-butanol. So today we discuss first one is interconversion of Fischer to sawhorse, starting from the Fischer, in which we converted into sawhorse eclipsed form and sawhorse staggered form. Similarly, staggered interconversion of Newman sawhorse to Newman projection. Interconversion of Newman projection, and also we saw the terms and conditions for trio and erythro compounds. With that, I conclude this class. Please come to the college library and department library, get the materials, and if you want to take the Xerox, and you prepare notes for all those things in your own handwriting, repeatedly write and practice. Very shortly you have to face the first semester examinations. All the best.